The spiritual journey is about, or the figuring out who we are is about dissolving the ego. Dissolving the ego means dissolving the mind. Remember what I said? All belief we have or what we identify ourselves with is an ego. What we identify ourselves is the mind, isn't it? First we have the mind, the ideas, the preference. That is ego. So to be free from the fear or to figure out the truth of who we are, we have to dissolve the ego. Dissolving the ego means dissolving the mind. Dissolving the mind is the way to see the unchanging truth in us. That is also called the plain sight truth or the consciousness itself. This dissolving, dismantling. To get to the truth of who we are, we have to remove all the changing nature in us. When we dissolve all the changing nature in us, which is the mind, we end up with the unchanging. Right now, it's piled under the changing layers. And changing layers is what we are conditioned with, which is the mind. We are conditioned in a certain way in the mind. We are conditioned in the body. And to see the truth of who we are, to be free from the mental cage, emotional prison, we have to undo the conditioning. So basically, the undo the physical conditioning or emotional conditioning can be done by tracing the mind backward. The journey to figure out who we are is about tracing the mind. And the simple way to trace the mind is by asking ourselves why. Why is the simple way to trace the mind backward. So here, I mentioned that all ideas are false. And if the ideas are true, if the idea is who we are, then there should be no fear in life. But that's not true, isn't it though? No matter how upgraded ideas we have, the fear still exists. Now, the fear exists. Everyone has a fear in life.